I love this part. I love Midwest Picker. I love this video.
Hey, Midwest Picker here. Thanks for watching, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dave. I'm a part-time YouTube content creator. I'm a part-time reseller, and I make these videos to help people new to reselling, not just eBay, reselling in general, Mercari, eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, local pickup, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. Here to help anybody new to reselling. So this video is a what's sold on eBay video. I sold 10 items since my last video. The reason I do what's sold on eBay videos is so you know what to source, so you don't waste your time buying things that don't sell. We don't have unlimited money, unlimited resources and time. So this is also called like a BOLO or be on the lookout. This lets you know what actually sells so you source the right things. So before I get too far into the video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon if you haven't already. That way when I make new videos or I go live on Sunday, 8 p.m., I go live every Sunday from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., you'll get a notification that I either have a new video or that I'm live. Also hit that thumbs up button and comment down below. That really helps me to grow the channel. Also, before I get into the video, I have a viral video. I never thought this would happen. I have a dodgeball video. It's 3 years old. It's only 4.5 minutes long. It's really cool. This high school kid takes on an entire team of adult men. You have to check it out. The link is down below. I don't know how it's gone viral. I'll put the statistics up here. It gets about 800 views a day. So it went from like 4,000 to 8,000 to 12,000 to 13,000 in just a matter of a week or two. I'm not really sure why YouTube is recommending this video. I'm not complaining because it helps me get my watch hours, and it's kind of a cool video. So if you know anybody that's into dodgeball or they like seeing cool videos, there's a share button down below too. You can share it with your friends and family, share it to their text messages or their Facebook instant messenger, or however you want to share it. You can share it to your social media too. That would be cool. And of course, I can't start this video without mentioning I'm going to be on Dominic's show, Primetime Treasure Hunter, his YouTube channel, Wednesday, November 4th at 9 p.m. Today is Monday, the day before the election, and I'm going to be Dominic's guest. He's going to interview me. He's going to be very nice to me and kind and not be mean or tease me at all. I doubt it. The day after the election. So the country could use some humor, some distraction, change of topic. Dominic and I have almost the exact same sense of humor. We have a lot of the same interests too. He likes to tease me, I like to tease him, and we like to have a good time, tell dad jokes, keep it family friendly. So tune in Wednesday. I'll put a link down below, of course, to Dominic's channel. Wednesday, November 4th at 9 p.m. I'm going to be his special his special guest. He's going to interview me on his channel. All right, so let's get into it. The first item is this pair of Metallica shot glasses. These were listed for $19.95. I did put them on sale, and they sold for $15.99 plus first class shipping on top. I got these for 50 cents a piece from a Goodwill. Next is wooden dowel pins. Yeah, this is a long running joke. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, I sold 100 of these for $4.95 plus first class shipping on top. I bought 12,000 of these for 50 bucks. So I'll do the math for you. That's 4/10 of a penny per dowel pin. So I bought 2 little cases of these, 6,000 per case from a restore. I thought they would sell better. They sell okay, not bad. I sell them in hundreds and 200s, 300s, maybe 500, I think. And, you know, I can't have a video without pitching this. Down off camera, I have a sealed, unopened box of 6,000 dowel pins. So if you're interested in buying those, I'll sell them to you for 100 bucks free shipping. Just contact me on Instagram or my email, midwestpicker.com. Get a hold of me and I'll sell them to you, and then you could sell them 100 at a time, 200 at a time, 300 at a time. It's a great replenishable if you're a reseller. Next is this little case of Marlboro matches. This is 100 matchbooks in a little case, kind of like a gas station counter display. I inherited these from my dad. I didn't think they had a lot of value. I almost threw them away. But then I did a search on eBay and checked solds to see what sold. Joe Camel matches, Marlboro matches, all kinds of matches. And yeah, people do collect these and they will pay up for them. So these sold for $19.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. I can't believe I almost threw these away. That would have been crazy. 20 bucks, easy money. Next one is my Bang Bang Harry Humstone Coleman lantern. So I went a little crazy on a local auction that has curbside pickup. This is a 1963 Coleman. I paid $38 for it, but the reason is because this thing was cherry mint condition. It was super nice. It had the original little funnel, and it also had a little toolkit in the base. You unclamp the base, and inside is a wick and a little wrench. Very hard to find those. Very few on eBay, if any, have that little toolkit and the little funnel. So I put this on as an auction. It sold for $126 plus shipping on top. I got positive feedback. The buyer was thrilled. And I did do the math. After all the eBay fees and PayPal fees and all that junk, I did profit, a net profit of $49. So sometimes you do have to pay up a little to make money. Would I do it again? I don't know. If I saw this lantern at a garage sale or flea market for $5 or $10, then I would definitely buy it. It's a bit risky. I did do well though. I started the auction at $99 and I ended up making about $50 in my pocket. Next is this SOSS brand. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's an invisible door closer, kind of commercial, industrial grade. I saw this at a restore. It was extremely heavy in the box with the original template. It looked like it had never been used. I listed it as new open box. It was only $3, and I figured with that much steel, it's got to be worth money. Sure enough, it's worth a ton of money. I listed it for $79.95. I actually bought 2 of them. I still have one left. I got an offer recently for $60 plus priority mail shipping on top. Boom, I took that $3 into $60. I'll do that all day long. And if I didn't mention, I bought this pair of invisible door closers at a restore. It was with all the doorknobs and the door locks and just all of that door hardware stuff. It was down on the bottom shelf, kind of in the dark. I had to go digging for it, but it was with the original box, the original instructions and template. Definitely pick that up. Now, if it was outside the box and it was just kicking around on the shelf, maybe I would buy it for $1. Then you'll get much less money for it, but still, I think out of the box, you'd probably get a good $25, $30. Next is this die-cast Ford Model A truck bank. So I got this for free. I inherited this from my dad, probably 30 or 40 of these die-cast trucks. I'm going to keep a bunch of them, but I sell some every now and then. These were very collectible back in the 90s. Some were made by Ertl, some were made by Buddy L, some were made in China, some were made in the USA. It depends on the theme. The theme on this one was Wrigley's Gum. Other ones are like Jack Daniel's Whiskey or Shell Oil Company, but people do collect and display these. Can't remember what I listed this for, maybe $19.95, but it did sell on sale for $16.96 plus priority mail shipping on top. Next is a movie poster. I bought a ton, I think 65 movie posters from Mr. Buys a Lot, and he just had an auction yesterday. Oh my gosh, from noon till 9 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. I participated in the Sunday one, and it was crazy. All kinds of stuff. I did bid on a whole bunch of stuff, but I didn't win anything. All kinds of stuff. This guy, if you don't know him, his name is Brian. He lives in Allentown, Pennsylvania. And he buys whole collections. I'm talking $10,000, $20,000 worth of stuff, semi-loads at a time. He bought just like 10,000 movie posters. And if you don't know, vintage original movie posters from the 60s, 70s, 80s were shipped to the movie theaters folded and flat, which normally you would never do. A movie poster is usually rolled in a tube, but these were folded like 6 times. So no big deal. The collectors know that. But these are not reprints. These are not reproductions. These are the original posters that were in the theater. So he sells wholesale lots through his YouTube channel. Recently started doing auctions. He might still have some posters left. If you're interested, you could contact him on his YouTube channel. I'm going to link his channel down below too, along with Dominic's. He's a really cool guy. And if you need stock and if you need replenishables, this guy has a ton of stuff. So check out his videos. Anything from pinback buttons to $200 tennis shoes and everything in between. So getting back to what I sold, this is a 1979 Amityville horror movie poster. My cost of goods is around $5 per poster. I listed it for $49.95. Prices are all over the place. Condition is all over the place. Some people list them for $20, $30. Some people want $100. I just kind of aimed for the middle. The condition is very good. You can also look that up in Google, how to grade a movie poster. And there's a website that's dedicated to how to grade a movie poster based on pinholes and creases and folds and all that kind of stuff. I'm very conservative. If it looks like near mint, I'm never going to say near mint. I'm going to say very good or excellent. I'll disclose the creases, the holes, any kind of damage at all. This poster was like almost brand new, like it had never been used, but it was folded and stored. So when you unfold it to take a picture, you can see minor condition issues. Not a big deal. It'll frame up very nice. I did put it on sale. It sold for $42.46 plus first class shipping on top. Super light. Even when I sandwiched it in cardboard, put it in a clear plastic sleeve, then put it in a poly mailer, it was barely 5 or 6 ounces. It's very inexpensive to ship. Next one was a bit of a bust. Sometimes when I see uranium glass like in an antique store, I get a little crazy. So I paid up. I paid like $6 for this thing. It's a little sugar bowl, 2 handles, very cute, very nice. I listed it for $14.95, took fantastic photos, if I must say myself, and it just did not sell. It just sat and sat and sat. Eventually I got an offer for $10 plus shipping on top, so I took it. Probably broke even or maybe lost a few pennies on this one. Next is a Masters of the Universe action figure. This little guy is called Merman. He's got no accessories, no weapons, but he's in pretty good condition. Cost of goods is around $4. In a really old video, I answered a Craigslist ad. A guy had a whole tub full of action figures, which I have half of them off camera still. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, wrestling figures, Motu or Masters of the Universe action figures. I sold a bunch. And I paid for it. I paid $200 for, what did I say, 40 action figures? 40 action figures? I'm not even sure anymore. I don't remember. So my cost of goods isn't that bad. I listed this little guy for $9.95. He's not that big in demand. I put him on sale. He sold for $8.46. So this is another bust. Probably break even on this one. Other ones I have made great money on. So you have to take the good with the bad. The very last item is this wireless dimmer switch. I've never seen or heard of this before. I found this at my secret honey hole thrift store, so I can't tell you where it's at. Cost of goods was only $2. I did a quick check in the store. Wow, these things are worth a ton of money. I listed it for $19.95. I took a best offer of $15 plus first class shipping on top. So that's my what sold video, guys. If you have any questions at all, put them down in the comments. Did you think I sold something too cheap? Did I make a mistake? Go ahead and put that constructive feedback down below too. I like that. Go to MidwestPicker.com and you can contact me through Instagram or email. No words from His Royal Highness Prince Joey. If you missed the previous video, you got to check that out. He got knighted. He's official royalty. Enoch's not saying nothing. Gordon Freeman killing aliens back there. He's not saying nothing. All right, that's it, guys. Till next time. I'll see you Wednesday on Dominic's channel, and then maybe a few days after that I'll do another What Sold video. Thanks for stopping by.